Hello everyone. Right now this is a 2011 MAZDA6 ISport. Got headlights, no fog lights. Gas cap right here. Takes gasoline. Here's what the key looked like. Go ahead and get inside. Got your window controls, mirror controls, lock unlock. Got manual driver's seat. Interior's cloth. Has 155,000 miles. Very nice. Like I said, got your window controls, mirror controls. Right here's your door handle, lock unlock. Right here, got air vent with traction control off, and your trunk release. Right here, got a little storage compartment. Right here, got your headlight controls, wiper controls. Right here is your radio controls, cruise control. Here's what the gauges look like. You got your fuel gauge, tachometer, speedometer, and your temperature. And right here, it shows you the mileage that this car has. It shows you the temperature outside, and it shows you the trip information right here. Right here, you got a little display, 2 air vents, hazards. Right here is your radio controls: seek, track, auto, means text, scan, disk, folder category, RDM, and RPT. Right here is where you can load CD, is a MP3 player. Right here is the different tracks. Got FM, CD, AM, satellite, and auxiliary. Right here is the buttons to change the time. Right here. Right here, got climate control. This is the temperature, push for AC, fan speed, and your different zones. You can push this and it would do rear defrost. Right here, got power outlet with some storage in here. Right here is the shifter, manual, handbrake. Got 2 cup holders, glove box with auxiliary, and a 12-volt power outlet. Got a mirror right here, sunglasses container, lighting. And the seats are cloth. They're comfortable, as you can see. Go ahead and get out of this one. Turn on the headlights. Pop out the trunk. And pop the hood right here. Also the fuel cap. As you can see, I got plenty of legroom. Got some storage in here. Right here is 2 cup holders. Gas cap, once again, takes gasoline. Got jack storage, all your tools right here. Got a manual passenger seat. Got your certificate, your owner's manual and other literature. Also, you get your original MAZDA6 floor mats. Valve V6. Everything runs absolutely great. Go ahead and see how she sounds. Very nice. Go ahead and cut the vehicle off. Hope you guys enjoyed the review. Please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.